Hey guys, so I received a package from Joancee that I've been so excited to get, and it's a ring, and I'm just gonna open it with you. I've got a sterling silver 2 carat oval shaped Moissanite ring, and it comes with a certificate. You get the GRA card and the report, so it shows that it's authentic. So this is the best bit. It comes in this lovely box. Let's open it. Let's see what's in the bottom. So this shows that it's sterling silver. This is polished cloth, I think it is. Yep. So let's now open the actual ring. So pretty. So look at that. Can you see? So cute. It's a perfect color. It's an oval shaped and it has little diamonds or stones on the side. It's the perfect size. It's really sparkly. I love it. Check them out. They've got really good jewelry. And they're amazing prices and super quick delivery.